Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to sell tickets on Viagogo, step by step for beginners in 2025. So, first things first, head over to the official Viagogo website. If you already have an account, just sign in from the top right corner. Otherwise, click on Create Account and fill in your name, email, phone, and a password. Make sure the email you use is one you check often because that's where Viagogo will send updates about your listing. Once you're signed in, hover over the sell option at the top and choose sell tickets. This will open up the selling page where you can start your listing. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. The site guides you through each step. Next, search for the event you're selling tickets for, like a concert, sports match, or maybe even a comedy show. Just type the event name, pick the correct one from the results, and click on it. If you can't find it right away, try typing only the artist or team name. The search usually works better that way. Now, enter how many tickets you have. You can choose to sell them together or individually. Quick tip: avoid leaving just one ticket unsold, since buyers often look for pairs. If you have an odd number, you might want to group them in twos and keep the single one separate. That usually makes them easier to sell. Here, you'll be asked to add details about your tickets. For example, whether it's an aisle seat, includes parking, or has VIP access. You can also add restrictions, like if it's 21 plus or needs the original buyer's ID. Be clear here so buyers know what to expect. The more details you provide, the fewer questions buyers will have later. After that, choose the ticket format: e-ticket, paper ticket, or mobile transfer. If it's an e-ticket, you'll upload the file right away. If it's paper, just confirm and continue. And yeah, don't worry, your tickets are kept secure until they're sold. Next, fill in the seat information like section, row, and seat numbers. If you don't know them yet, you can select a reason why. I mean, buyers usually prefer listings with seat details because it helps them compare options, but it's not always required. Now, let's talk pricing. Enter the price per ticket. You can also toggle on flex price, which automatically adjusts your price to meet demand. This can be really handy if you're not sure about the best price. Just make sure the amount you set is above face value so you actually make a profit. And remember, competitive pricing usually gets your tickets sold faster. Before your listing goes live, Viagogo needs your payment details. Add a valid debit or credit card and choose how you'd like to get paid. Either direct deposit or PayPal. If you're selling internationally, PayPal is usually smoother, but direct deposit works great if you're keeping it local. Finally, agree to the terms, double check everything, and hit create listing. Your tickets will now be live on Viagogo, ready for buyers to see. And once they sell, you'll get notified by email. So, yeah, keep an eye on your inbox. And that's it. That's how you sell tickets on Viagogo. It might feel like a lot the first time, but after you've done it once, the whole process takes just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick guides.